बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell candle ideas. These are very stunning and very beautiful seashell candle ideas for you guys. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful candle seashell centerpieces decoration ideas, and I hope so you like these candles centerpieces decoration ideas. You guys easily make them at your homes. If you don't know about how to make these type of seashell candle centerpieces, then you guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell candles. These are very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So you guys must try these seashell candles. And also leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. I'm glad to see you, and I also enjoy these type of craft work. That's why I also share with you through my videos. So guys, always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. You must try these seashell craft ideas at your homes. So think positive, always be positive. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Always keep me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.